I just got back from the smaller physics paper, which was this morning, and it wasn't too bad. Like, out of like physics papers, it wasn't a bad one at all. Although I had a bit of a breakdown last night because I want quite a good grade for this one, considering it's quite a small paper. There's not too much content. It's not too difficult. And compared to the other one, like the other one, I don't think I did particularly well, and so I want to bring up my grade as much as possible. So I was getting a bit frustrated because I kept getting like the same. I did 4 papers, all between 73 and 77%. So that's like a difference of 3 marks, I think, 2 or 3 marks. So that's crazy. Like 4 papers and they're all pretty much identical. But anyway, I tried like my absolute hardest for this one. Just thought as rationally as possible and tried everything to make sure that I got as many grades as possible. There were a lot of definitions, which is good because I learnt them all, but this one's a very definition heavy paper, which I quite like. What else? Oh yeah, there was a couple of questions that really confused me. There was one about, you had to find a naught, which is basically like you had a plate and it had like sand molecules on it and it was going like this, and what you had to find the amplitude for when the sand particles like stop making contact with the plate, and I got very confused. Apparently it was really easy, but I didn't get it. I think I got one out of the 4 marks just for making something up, so that wasn't the best one. And the last question was a ratio, but you didn't have any numbers. I don't know, maybe it was really obvious, but I didn't get that one. But from the other ones, I think I pretty much answered the lot, which is good. So yeah, hopefully I got a decent grade. I did my counting up optimistically and pessimistically, and I got between a C and an A, which is pretty much what I'm expecting. I just want these exams over with. I was really annoyed they didn't do the derivation of the t squared equals 4 pi squared r cubed over gm, because I've done that so much with my tutor over and over again, and you normally give it like 3 or 4 marks. It's an easy 3 or 4 marks, but they didn't ask for it, so that was slightly annoying, as I was really hoping that was going to come up. But overall it wasn't too bad a paper. I'm quite happy with how it went, although I don't think it's probably going to be exactly the same as all the papers I did yesterday, pretty much, so that's slightly annoying. But I've only got 2 left. Tomorrow is a busy day, a really busy day. I have a total of 4 hours worth of exams. I have a clash, so I have French in the morning, which is 2.5 hours, and then I have an hour, I have like 2 hours between my exams, and then I have geography in the afternoon, which is an hour and a half, but then I'm finished. So I have a nice, like, difficult day tomorrow, but then I'm done, and summer can begin. Everything I've got planned for summer can begin. So tonight will just be some intense geography and French revision, and then it will be finished in, what time is it now? 11:30. So 27.5 hours. 27.5 hours. 27.5 hours ago I was asleep, and it was just before I got up yesterday. Oh, that's so soon. It's crazy. I can't believe, like, I always think when I'm doing a revision, like, I've got so many other things I could be doing, but it's like you don't really realise that. I don't know, I do realise, but I just don't take advantage of the fact that you only can revise during that time. After that you can do whatever you want, but during that time, I mean, it doesn't matter if I revise tomorrow or the next day, it's not going to make any difference. So, I don't know, I just never make the most of my time, but tonight I'm going to just revise, and then hopefully French will go well. So then hopefully I'll have at least 2 good grades. That's the plan, at least. I hate the fact, as well, that I have absolutely no colour in my face. I don't know why, my camera just doesn't like to give me colour in my face. Never mind. So I'm going to go. Actually, I'm going to have a break first. I'm going to have a break, have some food, and then back on the revision. So that's exciting. But daily vlog starts tomorrow, and I'm very excited about this. Yeah, so I've got a few. I'm just sort of going to introduce my project tomorrow, basically, because I haven't really got time to do anything interesting. Not that I'll be doing much interesting over the summer, but I've literally got no time to do anything tomorrow. So tomorrow will sort of be an introduction to why I'm bothering, basically. So yeah, but that is a whole another thing for tomorrow. So I haven't done that yet. But anyway, hope physics was alright for you. If you're doing AT physics and you're not doing it at uni, never have to do physics again. Woohoo! That's the plan. That's the hope. I hope I never have to do a physics exam again. But yeah, it could be the last time I ever did physics in my life. Woohoo! So that's excellent. We can all have a... Apologies, my dad just called me in the middle of me recording, so if it's just if I've changed angle or whatever. I haven't really changed colour, that's annoying. I was hoping I might have changed colour, but yeah. So we can have a nice celebration for like 5 minutes and then back on the revision for any you may or may not have left. Some people have finished, which is depressing, but I am actually someone who finishes earlier than a lot of people, so I'm quite lucky about that. So, anyway, I should be off because I'm hungry. I'm starving. I've eaten loads today, but I'm still hungry. Might have a cheese scone. So anyway, I shall see you tomorrow for one vlog, one revision. No. One exams vlog for 2 exams. So you get a 2 in 1, and then my first of I've worked out it's exactly 90 days. If I go to Royal Holloway, the Freshers Week starts the 17th of September, so I have exactly 90 days worth of vlogs. I don't know, that's quite a lot of days, but it's also a nice round number. It's not like 85, because that would annoy me. Actually, 85 is quite round, like 81 maybe. 81 would annoy me, but 90 is a nice round number, and it divides exactly into 3 months, and, well, so anyway, I'm getting weird now, so I'm going to go. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow for more videos. Woohoo!